No kitchen is complete without a quality cutting board. It is an essential tool that is heavily used by families on a daily basis. Each of these options provide their own unique characteristics in terms of style and construction. Regardless of the design, hardwood lumber does not compromise on quality. Every cutting board we create is built to look great and perform at the highest level. One of the most noticeable benefits of wood cutting boards is their durability. Wood, especially butcher block, is known to be able to withstand heavily daily use. With proper attention and maintenance, wood can last for years. This longevity not only makes a wood cutting board a smart financial investment, it makes it a safe tool. When preparing food, especially raw meat, you want a sturdy, reliable surface. This is important to prevent injuries. A wood cutting board provides this stability. Compared to other materials, such as plastic cutting boards, wood is relatively easy to clean and maintain. Because of this, wood cutting boards do not easily contaminate or harbor harmful bacteria. Hardwood lumber customers have the option to purchase their cutting board pre-treated with mineral oil or natural plant-based oil. This makes your cutting board fully ready for food preparation and dishwasher safe. With other cutting board materials, you may be stuck with limited options or one-size-fits-all designs. Not with hardwood lumber. We create custom wood cutting boards that meet your individual needs. Not only are wood cutting boards functional, they are aesthetically pleasing as well. Wood adds natural warmth and beauty to any kitchen. If you are looking to create a traditional appearance in your kitchen, a wood cutting board or two can help you achieve that goal. A live edge or rustic edge cutting board will add some rustic flair to your home. Ultimately, don't think of wood cutting boards as tools to be stored until used. Display them along with the rest of your kitchen best accessories. The problem is that while it may seem like plastic is non-porous and can't absorb liquids, with use the surface becomes knife-scarred. This rough surface is exceptionally difficult to clean, even with bleach or running through the dishwasher. Wood, by contrast, shows the ability to halt the growth of and kill bacteria applied to its surface. Both new and used wood cutting boards maintain this ability equally well. The scientists found that 3 minutes after contaminating a board that 99.9% of the bacteria on wooden boards had died, while none of the bacteria died on plastic. Bacterial number actually increased on plastic cutting boards held overnight at room temperature. But the scientists could not recover any bacteria from wooden boards treated the same way. Thanks for watching. Until next time.